Oh, hello. Today I'm going to show you how to open and close your Toyota Auris without a key in the lock. Here you can see this is a remote key. It is a keyless go key. So, how to open the car? It's so easy. Go with your hand under the grip, and here you can see automatically open function. Awesome, isn't it? Really nice. Have a seat at your driver's seat, and your key is still having a place inside the car. Then you push, or you can see this icon on the screen, push the brake lever with your hand, no, not with your hand, with your feet, and then push the power button. The car is on. Job's done. Yeah, that it is. Now, to turn off the system, close your driver's side and then go with your hand on the top side of the grip. And here you can see the Toyota Auris is closing immediately. Yeah, this is really awesome. I like it really much. You can also use the buttons on the remote key too. Here you can see open and close. But this is not so nice like the other way, or isn't it? So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.